Ever feel the panic when a pocket option trade heads south faster than you anticipated? When a trade goes wrong on pocket option, the first thing to do is stay calm and assess the situation. You're not powerless. Let's walk through how to potentially salvage your investment and minimize further losses. First, navigate to your open trades. You'll find these clearly listed in your account dashboard. Usually under an open trades or active orders section, see the trade that's not performing as expected. Click on it to bring up its specific details. Now, you have a couple of strategic options. The most direct way to cut your losses is to manually close the trade. Look for a button that says close, sell, or an X icon associated with that specific trade. Clicking this will execute a sale at the current market price, locking in your loss or any minimal profit you might still have. Understand that closing a trade prematurely means you won't benefit from any future potential recovery, but it also prevents the loss from growing larger. It's a crucial risk management step. The amount you'll recover or lose is clearly displayed before you confirm the closure. Before you confirm the closure, Pocket Option will present you with a confirmation screen showing the exact amount you will receive or lose. Double-check this figure to ensure you are comfortable with the outcome. Alternatively, if you believe the market will reverse shortly, you could consider opening a new trade in the opposite direction to hedge your position. This is a more advanced strategy and carries its own risks. It's best to have a strong conviction and understanding of market dynamics before attempting this. For new traders or those unsure about manual closures, practicing with the demo account is vital. This allows you to experiment with different scenarios without risking real capital. Remember, successful trading involves not just knowing when to enter a trade, but also when to exit, especially when things don't go as planned. By understanding these options, you can regain control and manage your trading journey more effectively on Pocket Options. Stay informed, stay disciplined.